Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and my Happy Crafter Shop guest design team box finally arrived. Oh my goodness. This was supposed to come on Thursday so we could get our videos up and show everybody the great goodies that Lisa has in her shop for the April release, but it got lost in the postal service again and it didn't come until today. So here I am to share the goodies with you, and I hope that for those of you who have already shopped, you did use my coupon code, or at least one of the design team members' codes, so you could save yourself some money. So always getting a box from Lisa is super fun and reminds me of a box of candy. I say it every time. And I just wanted to show you this time she put the super cute Easter Bunny sticker on there. Love, love, love. So let's dig in and see what she has this time around. Okay, right on the top you can see my coupon code, Enis10, for 10% off all orders. So if you decide to shop, please use my code and save yourself some money. And also she usually includes a thank you card here, and of course she lists her social media, Instagram, YouTube, and her shop address right there, so don't forget about that. And let's dig into this beautiful box of goodies. I'm sorry, but my phone cut off on me. I'm having some trouble with it today for some reason. But you just saw the intro to my opening of the box of guest designer products from the Happy Crafter Shop. So now I'm going to show you what I received. And hopefully I can get through this without my camera cutting off on me again, because it's already happened 4 times. So anyway, that's why a lot of these things are already in little dishes instead of in their packages, because I'm having some difficulties today. So I think what we'll do is we'll start with this. This time around, Lisa did put these really cute acrylic flat back carrots in the release, and these are so cute for your Easter crafting. And I'm actually working on a challenge entry right now done in an Easter theme, so I'm going to be able to use these right away. Can't wait for that. And then we have these adorable little pink cabochon bows. They're flat on the back, they got a lot of detail to them, and they look kind of shimmery. And these are larger than a regular nail art cabochon, but they're not as large as a regular cabochon. They're kind of in between, but they are an adorable little bow, perfect for crafting. And then we have these beautiful tropical flowers, and I don't know if she's actually had these in her shop before, but she has had some that are very, very similar, if not the same. And these come in 4 different colors. So you see we've got the darker pink, the light pink, the green, and this beautiful lavender, and it looks like you get 12 in a package. So great deal on that. And speaking of deals, her pricing is always great anyway, so you're always going to get a great deal there. And then you get this package of, it looks like 8 lemon charms, perfect for your summer swaps and your fruit swaps. Very, very cute. And then we have these spacer beads. Now, she's had these beads in her shop before. She actually had some last month in some pretty spring colors, and these are a little bit more muted, but they are beautiful. We've got white, we have pink, yellow, and then we have this cafe or light coffee color, I'm calling it. And I did want to point out, if you haven't noticed, trying to give you a close-up here, these actually have flowers all over it. That's what gives it its design. They are actual little flowers in there. So those are super cute and beautiful. Great for bracelets like the Pandora bracelets. These are similar to those beads. Okay, then we have some 8mm swirl beads here, and they come in this teal blue, purple, and this purpley magenta color here, and you get quite a few in here. There's a lot of beads in this packet. Then there are crackle beads, which are some of my favorites. I love crackle beads. These are some pretty pastels. We've got blue, yellow, a darker pink, a lighter pink, and looks like some clear. And I don't know if these are, looks like a little bit of a greenish blue, or maybe that is one of the blue ones. I'm not sure. But these are really, really pretty, and they're 8mm. And I think there's 30 in a package. I'm not sure. Maybe there's more. It kind of looks like more, but maybe around 30. Then this, I know there's 30, but these are the 12mm crackle beads. And once again, beautiful colors. You've got yellow, clear, blue, green, red, a darker pink, and a lighter pink. Those are gorgeous. Love, love, love. And then she brought back some cage beads. Now these beads here are in gold cages, and in the past I believe she had silver cages. So these are really pretty addition to her shop. We've got crackle beads inside. We've got yellow, pink, purple, and this beautiful dark blue. So pretty. Actually, gorgeous. And then she came out with 4 different colors of rondelle beads. So here we have some beautiful blue. And I love rondelles. They're so sparkly with the facets on them. Just gorgeous. And then here we have the clear beads. Remind me of diamonds. So sparkly. And then these pretty pink ones. And by the way, you get a whole bag of these. I'm just showing you a few that I had put in these little dishes here. And then you get this pretty purple. Very pretty. And then she brought in 6 different colors of what I call jelly beads. And these are huge. I think these, let me see, is this looks like a 14 millimeter. But you get them in yellow. So pretty. There's this pretty pink. Pretty purple. And also with these, you do get a whole bag. So here's the blue. Here's a darker pink. I don't know if I showed you the yellow, but we've got yellow. And then we have this minty, I don't know, it's either a green or a teal. Really, really pretty. And I just wanted to grab one of these up and give you a close-up. I sometimes, and I hear other people call these pumpkin beads because they have all of these lines that go from top to bottom all the way around. So they give them some dimension and some interest. So those are super, super cute. So those are all the beads in, let's see, flatbacks, cabochons, charms that she had this time around. And then she brought back some Velcro dots. And this time we have yellow, blue, pink, bright green, and white. And I think these are, I want to say they're 1 centimeter. Yeah, they're 1 centimeter. She may have had larger ones in her shop before, but these are perfect for crafting as well. So you'll have fun if you order those. And then we have a couple of new dangles. And I think she has more dangles available in this release, but she did send me 3. And here is this very cute little cow here, perfect for summer and fall crafting, with her little gingham bow and the beautiful sunflowers all around and in her, or on her horn there. And let's just talk about these cute little glasses she's wearing. I mean, adorable. So adorable. And then the next one is this super cute little ducky with all the bubbles floating all around, and that one has a little flower in it. So cute. And I think these bubbles kind of look iridescent. So that's going to be fun to use. And then the last one that she sent me in my guest designer package is this beautiful stack of books. And we've got roses all around, and little Mr. Kiki is walking by, so you probably saw his shadow go by. He's on his way out of the room. But this one, what's different about this one is you'll notice it has a clear outside. And usually if they have a clear outside, that means they're two-sided. So you probably see this. Matter of fact, let me just take it out real quick. You'll see the same design on both sides. So I'm assuming that would be the case with this one. Yes, so that's the back side and that's the front side. Okay, so that is really, really pretty. Definitely great for your book-loving friends. And then she has 4 dies in this set. Let me grab those up. And first of all, we have this one. It's called Spring Summer Words 2025. And what you get here is the word spring and the word summer. So perfect for this time of year and all summer long. And these actually have 2 layering pieces. You've got the larger base piece, then you've got a layering piece there, and then the word, and it's the same for both of them. So some great dies there. And then we have some more word dies. These are called the Pie Words number 2, 2025, and I believe she came out with some pie words. I want to say it was around Thanksgiving of last year. And those were really fun, but this time she included something a little different. This time you actually get pie with its layering piece 3 times to save you the cranking on your Sizzix machine, okay? So that is a great addition here. And then you get 6 different pie flavors: lemon, strawberry, cherry, blackberry, chocolate, and blueberry. So those are going to be really fun. Great for your summer and your fruit swaps. So that's die number 2. Die number 3 is another little gift bag. This is called the Enjoy Gift Bag 2025, and look at how cute this is going to be. So this little bag, sorry I bumped the camera. So this little bag is about 4 inches wide, and if you don't include the handle, it's about 3.5 inches tall, and if you do include the handle, it will be 5.5 inches. So what you will do, this is your base piece. You'll cut this out twice, once for the front, once for the back. You have this layering piece here for here, and if you wanted to put some words or something, you can use this on the bag itself besides a layering piece. You have the word enjoy here, and on the back you actually get the front layering piece with this beautiful stitching detail, and it's, oh, I didn't mention, but you see the little scallop right here? So it's got this little scallop design here, and then there is actually another layering piece right here that will go on top of that. And then here's a beautiful little tag or a piece you can put on the front of your bag, and it also says enjoy, and then you will use this one to layer up on top. Now Lisa did say in her video that the great thing about this is you can actually do your circle with the word enjoy in 2 different colors. You know, you'll just cut this whole thing out in one color, and then you will layer it up with this in another color and use some foam or something for dimensions. So that is going to be a great little gift bag. Can't wait to use that. And then the die that I am dying over is this one. I have not seen anything like this before. This one is called the Dangle Display Card 2025, and look at this. This is going to be beautiful. So you have this large tag here, and it's got some stitching detail on it. This is your base piece. Then you've got a cutout piece here for layering, and then you've got a top layer here. So you can use this by itself, or you can layer it up with these pieces here. You also have some reinforcement holes. I believe that's what those are for this piece. And what you'll do is, after you cut this out and layer it all up, this piece is going to roll forward, and then you're going to glue it down, or maybe put a brad or something to hold it down. And that's where your dangle is going to hook through. So that's what that piece is all about. And then here we've got the words Dangle Me, and it has a shadow in the back, so that's going to be great to add to your project. And I do have a little dangle here. It's actually in a package, but I'm just going to give you an idea. So what you'll do is you'll take your lobster claw clasp and hook it through this tab that folds down, and then you'll have your cute little dangle hanging on there. So that would be adorable, and I think this is going to be the die to have out of this set. I mean, they're all great dies, don't get me wrong, but this is going to be the die to get. Also, I did want to mention that she does have back in stock a number of her other die sets, including that absolutely beautiful doily die set from the March release, and I know I had a couple of my peeps that were inquiring about that. So if you haven't picked it up already, I would encourage you to get on that shop and get it before it's sold out again. So yeah, those are the beautiful goodies that Lisa has in her shop this time around. Once again, I want to just show you my coupon code, Enis10 for 10% off your order, as well as remind you of Lisa's shop address right there. And like I said, you know, I got my package a little bit late. The release went live yesterday at noon. I hope that most of you got what you wanted already. And, you know, my coupon code was good from last month and this month. So yeah, hopefully you were able to save yourself some money by using my code or one of the other designers or guest designers. And yeah, so that's what I've got for you today. I want to thank everybody who already shopped, already used my code. I want to thank everybody for stopping by and watching this video. Be sure to be watching my channel for some more projects, because they are going to be coming. And thank you, everybody. And I guess I'm going to let you go. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. And I will catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.